Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to Pi 42 Exchange. Now we have Karthikeyan with us, CEO of Pi 42 Exchange, and Avinash also is the CEO of Pi 42 Exchange. Now, जैसे आप सबको पता होगा, we recently launched our API trading and काफ़ी traders API trading करना स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं Pi 42 में। उनके काफ़ी सारे queries हैं, काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस है, डाउट्स है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें हम इसी सेशन में बेसिकली डिस्कस करेंगे। और हमारे साथ मिरांडा भी है जो कि हमारे And, now let's start the session. We will be discussing API trading. अभी काफी क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं, so kind of listen to the questions ताकि our
Aman, I can't hear you properly actually. Can you hear me?
Yes, yeah, same here. I can't hear you properly.
you can't give me a second. Can you hear me for now?
Yeah,
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is audible.
Yes, yes,
yes,
it's audible.
yes. Now
Can
it's
we start again? Earlier I was not audible.
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
sure.
Earlier it was not properly proper.
Okay, so let's start it again. Welcome back to Pi 42 Exchange, guys. So we are here, and right now we have Avinash with us, CEO of Pi 42 Exchange, and Karthikeyan also. He's the CTO of Pi 42 Exchange. And we have one of our API trader. He's actually actively doing API trading on Pi 42 Exchange. He has a lot of queries and all. So let's hand over to the Avinash. He will tell us basic about what is this API trading and API trading किसके के लिए can a normal trader can do API trading and all. So Avinash, now you can take and you can tell us little bit more about the API trading and all.
Sure. So thanks Aman. Basically क्या है देखिए कि हम लोगों ने फरवरी में लॉन्च किया था एक्सचेंज. It's almost now 6 7 months 7 months now. और काफ़ी सारे हम लोगों ने फीचर्स लेकर आए हैं धीरे धीरे करके ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ लास्ट 6 7 months. जो एपीआई ट्रेडिंग है ये आई थिंक काफ़ी बड़ा स्टेप है हमारे लिए. अगर आप इंडियन एक्सचेंजेस में भी देखें तो नॉट मैनी एक्सचेंजेस ऑफर एपीआई ट्रेडिंग. एपीआई ट्रेडिंग का बेसिकली मकसद क्या है? देखिए, दो तरह से ट्रेडर होते हैं. एक तो जो ट्रेडर होते हैं जो डे ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेडिंग करते हैं. कुछ ट्रेडर्स जो है वो फास्ट ट्रेडिंग करना चाहते हैं कि जैसे उन्होंने एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाई कि चार्ट को देख के एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाई. ओके. और उनको लगता है कि जो ह्यूमन इमोशंस को बाहर निकाल के उस चार्ट के बेसिस पे उन्होंने बनाया स्ट्रैटेजी और बोला कि इसके बेसिस पे ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट होने चाहिए. एक बाय सिग्नल आएगा, बाय आप करो. उसके ऊपर एक फिर या तो टेक प्रॉफिट स्टॉप लॉस का सिग्नल आएगा उसके बेसिस पे. तो एक तरीके से जो एपीआई है वो ट्रेड को ऑटोमेट करने में हेल्प करता है और जो इमोशंस हैं बेसिकली उसको थोड़ा सा साइड लाइन करने में हेल्प करता है. और इसमें काफ़ी सारे ये भी हैं कि आप अलग जगह से भी हेल्प ले सकते हैं. जैसे आप कोई अ, आप कहीं और कुछ ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी डिप्लॉय कर रखी है जैसे आपने, ठीक है, तो उसको भी आप यहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. या आपको हैज करना है, मान लो आपने स्पॉट और फ्यूचर्स में हैज करना है, वो भी आप ऑटोमेटिकली कर सकते हैं. तो काफ़ी सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं इसमें एपीआई ट्रेडिंग में. बेसिक द फंडामेंटल ये है कि भाई कि आप जो है इमोशंस को अलग रख के हाउ कैन वी ऑटोमेट ट्रेड्स बेसिकली. सो ये एक आई थिंक बेसिक चीज़ है एपीआई ट्रेडिंग के बारे में.
Yeah, thank you, Avinash. At least we get a basic idea what this all about API trading क्या है, कैसे करते हैं. And one of the most common question जो काफ़ी सारे API traders पूछते हैं, like उन्हें ऐसा लगता है API trading is all about someone who know good about coding, बहुत ज़्यादा high level की coding चाहिए. You have to like learn lot of about coding and all. So this is the question I just want to ask from Karthik. Is it really this much coding knowledge is required to start a API trader?
Thanks, Aman, for the question. So, if we given detailed API documentation along with our API trading. If you look at our documentation, we have made it in a way that little bit of, if you ask me frankly, right now at this point, little bit of technical knowledge is required. but we are improving our system. Soon we will be there in a state that where anyone without even coding knowledge will be able to trade using our platform. We will be there very soon.
इसमें एक्चुअली मेरे ख्याल से दो पार्ट हैं इस क्वेश्चन के। एक तो देखिए क्या है कि मुझे जो लगता है, मतलब आई एम नॉन कोडर, आई एम फाइनेंस, आई फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड, मुझे कुछ कोडिंग के बारे में आइडिया नहीं है, बट फिर भी मेरा आइडिया ये है कि जो दो पार्ट है, एक तो स्ट्रेटेजी वाला पार्ट है और एक उसको कोड कैसे करें। ठीक है, मुझे लगता है कि स्ट्रेटेजी वाला पार्ट ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। कोड वाला जो पार्ट है ना, उतना अगर आपको नहीं भी आती है ना, किसी से आप हेल्प ले सकते हो। इनफैक्ट पाई 42 कैन हेल्प यू। अगर आपके पास कोई स्ट्रेटेजी है, आपको लगता है कि कोडिंग में आपको कुछ हेल्प चाहिए, तो हम लोग आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं। आप मार्केट में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कोडिंग के लिए हेल्प करते हैं और इट्स वेरी चीप। ठीक है, हम लोग भी एफर्ट कर रहे हैं कि कुछ जैसे कि कुछ लोगों को साइन अप करें जो कोडिंग में हेल्प कर सकें बेसिकली। तो ये दोनों पार्ट को रखना चाहिए। मेरे हिसाब से जो कोडिंग वाला पार्ट है वो आज की डेट में लेस इंपॉर्टेंट है देन कि आपके स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है बेसिकली। I think Miranda will be able to give more
Yeah.
perspective here. As I said,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
sure.
finance
Actually,
background, not like tech background.
yeah, the same. Like I am not a avid coder myself. I'm more of a hobbyist trainer, coder. Basically, I got into API trading with just the API docs in Pi42's website. So basically, just that. Basically, small hack, just feed that onto like chat gpt and just ask queries, and that's how I built the entire part. And yes, like you need your strategy. Definitely you need your strategy, so it is easy to get that strategy into API trading with just basic coding knowledge, and which you can like sources are available online. Like it's pretty easy, like anybody can get into the API trading like, quite easily. Just I would say just like a few days of just getting to know like what the terminology is, and you should be set. That is the basic. Yeah.
Okay, interesting. So we have one like I was talking with a lot of API traders, and one of the traders, he's doing a normal trading, and he just asked me one question, and the question is like, can I do API trading on mobile phone? I know this is just like a very normal question, but technically, is it possible, Karthik? Can someone do API trading on mobile phone? Because most of the traders are doing trading, normal trading on the mobile. Uh, what is your point on this? Is it possible someone can do this API on mobile phone?
Yeah, right now it is a little difficult, but how it is possible is right now people are writing Telegram bots, and the Telegram bots will submit your orders based on the signals or strategies they have set it up there. Uh, Probably soon. In fact, this question came up in our Telegram channel also from one of our users. So soon, probably we will also help them how to set this up. But as Avinash mentioned, at this point, the strategy is more important rather than placing the orders. That we can figure it out, whether it's from Telegram or it is from writing your own script uh, or trading view kind of platforms where they go and set up their strategy. So there are multiple ways to do it, but uh, setting up the right strategy is the most critical part here. But to answer your question, yes, it is possible. We will also help very soon.
Okay, this is interesting. So, Miranda, I just want to ask one thing. Like, you are doing
Sure.
API trading on Pi 42 from like last 1 week. So, how is your experience in term like because a lot of API traders are watching this live and they want to just understand how is your experience and how you are actually uh, what is your
Uh,
review on this product?
yeah, I find the product to be quite well done actually. Like the latency and every aspect of it, it's like on par with Binance. Like basically, I did API trading on Binance before. Like basically, like computing like the like real world data into like some machine learning programs, and just using that you get like a signal, and that takes a long or a short trade or something like that. So I would say I sense like apart from a few features missing, but it's pretty similar. Like obviously the rate limits are quite different. Like Binance being a big organization, they have been having API for a long time. So no, it is like probably like the limits are like higher or there, but definitely Pi 42 is like it's there, like it is a really viable product, and you can get a lot of things done actually. So, and Pi 42 for me, it provides a lot better features in terms of like your the tax benefit and all that. So for Indian traders point of view, like Pi 42 makes sense. And with API functionality being introduced, I think like most of the traders will migrate towards like Pi 42. Like it is at least for the now, like INR pairs or like all that is concerned. So that will be a really good. Like it is a good product, like, comparable to Binance, I would say. Yeah.
Interesting.
इसमें ना एक चीज़ है जो आपने मिरांडा बोला कि रेट लिमिट के ऊपर, तो देखिए हमने अभी चालू करा है, रेट लिमिट इज़ नॉट ए कंसर्न बेसिकली। अगर आपको ज़्यादा
Yeah.
रेट लिमिट चाहिए, मतलब वी डिडंट वांट टू ओपन अप एवरीथिंग ऑन डे वन। अगर आप एज एन इंडिविजुअल कस्टमर, आपको अगर ज़्यादा आप ट्रेड कर रहे हो, ज़्यादा आपको रेट लिमिट चाहिए, तो वो हम कॉन्फ़िगरेबल है, हम पीछे से हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई कम ट्रेड कर रहा है, उसको एक्चुअली ज़रूरत ही नहीं है उतने रेट लिमिट की। अगर आप ज़्यादा ट्रेड कर रहे हो, आपको ज़्यादा ट्रेड रेट लिमिट की ज़रूरत है, तो वो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग व्हिच वी कैन चेंज फ्रॉम द बैक एंड
Yeah.
एंड कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हैं इंडिविजुअल कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट के बेसिस पे। उसमें अगर आपको कुछ भी चाहिए, तो वो हम लोग कर सकते हैं बेसिकली।
Okay, interesting. So we have one question in our chat section. Let me make it live. Many exchange offer a API trading. Why should someone choose Pi 42 for API trading? So I think definitely Karthikeyan will give us a lot of perspective in terms of tech side, how like it is beneficial or how it is comparable as compared to other exchanges providing the API trading from
इसमें एक चीज़ पहले देखिए क्या है कि सबसे पहले जो है कि वाई पाई 42, आई थिंक बिफोर वाई पाई 42 एपीआईज, वाई पाई 42, ओके।
market.
तो हम लोगों ने जो ऐसे कि हमने 6-7 महीने पहले स्टार्ट करा, काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है हमें। इसमें दो तीन चीज़ें हैं। सबसे पहला जो है कि हम लोग जो फर्स्ट एक्सचेंज, आई थिंक ओनली एक्सचेंज है जो आईएनआर डिनोमिनेटेड परपेचुअल फ्यूचर्स दे रहे हैं। ठीक है, आज की डेट में हमारे पास आईएनआर डिनोमिनेटेड परपेचुअल फ्यूचर है, जैसे बीटीसी आईएनआर। दूसरा बीटीसी यूएसडीटी भी है। तो अगर आपको आईएनआर ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगता है, आईएनआर में आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो। खासकर पीपल वो पहले स्पॉट में ट्रेड करते थे, आईएनआर ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है। अगर आप फ्यूचर्स में, अगर आप यूएसडीटी में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हो, तो यूएसडीटी में कर सकते हैं। इसमें जो दूसरा फीचर है कि जो आपको जो क्या बोलते हैं, जो कोलेट्रल है वो आईएनआर में है। मतलब देखिए क्या है, आज की डेट में जो इंडियन रेगुलेटरी एनवायरनमेंट है, उसमें अगर आप यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करते हो, तो उसमें काफ़ी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है। आप बाकी एक्सचेंज में देखो, विड्रॉल की रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं। आप यहाँ पे, क्योंकि हम लोग क्रिप्टो एक तरीके से ले ही नहीं रहे हैं आपसे, आप आईएनआर डिपॉजिट करके आईएनआर ही विड्रॉ कर सकते हो, तो वो जो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है ना, वो एप्लीकेबल नहीं होती हैं। अ, आप अपने बैंक अकाउंट से डिपॉजिट करिए, ट्रेड करिए बीटीसी यूएसडीटी में या बीटीसी आईएनआर में, जो भी आपका प्रॉफिट है आप वापस आईएनआर में आप अपने बैंक अकाउंट में लेके जाइए, कहीं पे कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है। तो तीसरी चीज़ है ऑब्वियसली कि जो टैक्स है, स्पॉट में आपका पर 1% टीडीएस लगता है, 30% टैक्स लगता है, सेट ऑफ लॉसेज अलाउड नहीं होते हैं। ये सब चीज़ें फ्यूचर्स में अलाउड है। ठीक है, आपका 1% टीडीएस नहीं लग रहा है, सेट ऑफ लॉसेज अलाउड होते हैं। और जो टैक्स है आपका नॉर्मल टैक्स है, अगर आप 20% ब्रैकेट में तो 20% टैक्स है, 30% ब्रैकेट में तो 30% टैक्स है। ठीक है, तो मुझे लगता है कि हम लोगों ने एक नीश प्रोडक्ट एक तरीके से डेवलप करा है, जो अभी जो बुल रन आ रहा है या आने वाला है क्रिप्टो में, उसके लिए आई थिंक काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है। बिकॉज अदरवाइज अगर आप नॉर्मल, अगर आप देखो इंडिया में बैठ के, तो बहुत ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है जहाँ पे आप इस बुल रन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो। तो आई थिंक उसमें काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है। बाकी आई थिंक जो एपीआई ट्रेडिंग है, आई थिंक कार्तिकेन विल एक्सप्लेन बेटर। बट मुझे लगता है कि वो, अगर आपका एक एक्सचेंज है जो पूरे सेट ऑफ फैसिलिटीज़ हैं एक एक्सचेंज में जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो, वो एपीआई ट्रेडिंग उसका एक काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। और वो ऑब्वियसली हर चीज़ में एक इम्प्रूवमेंट का वो होता है कि कुछ इम्प्रूव करा जा सकता है, बट एपीआई ट्रेडिंग उसका एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। और वो वही हम लेकर आए हैं कि भाई के जो फुल फ्लेज एवरीथिंग जो होना चाहिए क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज में, वो हम प्रोवाइड करें।
Yeah, just to add points as Avinash mentioned. So definitely we are at the right time in the market when the bull run is about to start. Definitely, we are listening to all our user base, and we will keep improving our system. If there is any suggestion, we are definitely we are here to take it up and build it. And so why Pi 42 is definitely uh, we did our own internal analysis on who is providing the best execution in terms of speed or the delivery of every order that's coming into our system. Definitely, we are among the top. So probably we will, if anyone is interested, probably do a research about it. If there is any queries around it, definitely we can take it up. But uh, at this point of time, we are definitely best among in Indian market in terms of the speed and execution. So definitely we are listening to all our customers. So this is interesting. Whether someone can trade directly from mobile, definitely we will look into that aspect. And if that is going to help Indian audience, definitely we are here to help that audience as well.
Okay, interesting. So we have one new question from Prashant Raghuvanshi. Let me highlight this question for now. So he's asking, can trader build their strategy on trading view and automate it on the Pi 42 through API? So this is also very interesting question because I am also a trader. A lot of time I wrote a Pine script on the trading view, and I'm just thinking, can I do the same automation if whenever its signals come for a buy or sell, it can directly trigger to the Pi 42 exchange? Is it possible in any sense for now for API trader?
Yeah, yeah, you can do that. Yeah, you just need an intermediary like a flat server or something. You uh, like basically run your script on TradingView, and you just need to like set the alert so that like it is JSONified, like just the buy price and all that. Like you can introduce the brackets and all that, like, and you can get the price from there, and you can execute it on Pi 42 API. It's like very straightforward. You just need an intermediary which gets that data and transmits it to the Pi 42 API. It's pretty much
Oh,
doable.
you already tried Miranda this thing.
Yeah,
It's very
yeah,
smooth.
that is what I am be doing. Like I follow the same. I automate my I get my signals from TradingView. So
Okay.
TradingView, you I have a like already I have a lot of screeners. I have strategies. I build strategies on TradingView, and once that is done, I just get the signal from TradingView. I run my own Flash server on my basically it's just a Python script, like a webhook server. I receive the signal there, and it just analyzes the data and execute the trade on Pi 42 exchange. It is quite straightforward actually.
Okay, interesting, interesting. Okay, this is interesting. And now we have one very common question. Like I am talking with a lot of API traders, and there are few API traders actually. उन्होंने ना they are not interested in coding क्योंकि उनके पास ज़्यादा knowledge नहीं है about the coding and all. So what they are doing, they are using some different platform like no code platform जहाँ पे आप अपनी strategy बना सकते हो and you can directly link with other exchange like Pi 42 or any other crypto exchange, and now you can automate your trading without involving in the coding part. So I want to understand this thing, is it possible with the Pi 42 exchange, because few of the users are asking about this. So
Yes, yes,
Karthik,
you can.
yeah.
Basically you just get uh, what the API documentation gives is like basically how you interact with the Pi 42's exchange. So with just the data like the API docs, you can use any other intermediary which like talks in the same language as Pi 42. Like you just need the URL and a few lines of code, and you can definitely do that. I believe. Like, my answer might be simple, but yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Thanks. I just want to jump in here. So right now at this point, you need to set up your own webhook. We are not providing right now, but that is something that we are working on. Definitely in one of the upcoming future release, we are launching that feature as well. So where we will help user to set up their own webhooks as well as receive the orders from external data points, whether it's TradingView or any other similar platforms, we can receive signals as well as execute the orders as per the user's request. That is something
Like
that we
from
are working
trading view,
currently. Sorry.
like from trading view, we can directly
Yeah,
send.
it can be TradingView or it can be any other similar platforms. So where we can receive signals and execute the trades.
Okay, interesting. Okay, so Miranda, I just want to ask one question from you. Like, do you have any questions like you want to ask from our team? Like, Karthikeyan is already and Avinash both are here. Like, if you face any kind of issues or any kind of a problem, like one thing you already mentioned. Apart from that, you have any query like while doing API trading?
Like
What?
I haven't faced any queries so far. Like I'm in touch with the team. Like if I have any issues, I do talk with them and like be vocal about like whatever issues I face. Uh, yeah, I do like I am looking forward for like towards one feature like which is like H mode, like basically having two questions in the same pair, like basically a short and a long question simultaneously in one pair. So I am looking forward to that feature from Pi 42. So apart from that, no, right now I have any no other
Interesting.
questions here. Yeah.
So now we have a next question. Like Avinash, I want to ask from you. Like we have a lot of traders who are doing a normal trading on Pi 42, and they are very highly interested in doing for the API trading. So how you can suggest those traders how they can start doing API trading? Like first is the learning part, and how they can actually start trading as an API on Pi 42 because they are very new. They have I don't. They have little bit idea about coding. Some has no idea. So how you will suggest them how they can start their journey to start a API trading because they are just like a normal trader. So can you?
या
Yeah,
सो बेसिकली देखिए क्या है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक वी विल हैंड होल्ड ऑन एवरी स्टेप ऑफ द वे इफ यू कैन गेट इन टच विद अस वी कैन सेट अप अ कॉल वी कैन सेट डू अ डेमो कॉल we can help you in terms of for example if you need some help on the coding side if you need let's say some help from other traders who are already doing it. Okay, so that all those things initial hand holding we can do. You just need to reach out uh, and then we'll help you basically.
interesting in terms of learning. If they want to learn anything, definitely.
Yeah.
Even we are also planning to launch our API trading course also. So that will be most probably live in few weeks. So definitely that will also help all the new traders without going to the demo call. They can learn from that course also. They can directly come for a demo call. Even Karthikeyan also told if you have any like strategy you want help from our tech team, they will help you to build your strategy also, and they can help you to execute. And so every because in API trading yeah बहुत सारे because it is new for a lot of traders, they want to execute it but somehow they have not that much resource. But definitely in term of resource, in term of help, we are going to provide you from our end everything.
Aman, just to add, we'll not help
Yeah,
in the strategy part. Definitely, we will help in the executing the trade part.
yeah. Okay, okay, in the strategy but no, if I have my strategy, so if I know like coding perspective, I want to code that strategy
Yeah, yeah,
in that.
definitely, definitely. Any
I'm
any
not.
sort of coding part will definitely we will help.
Yeah, not in term of taking the strategy, not like I am copying any strategy. I have few strategy, I want to code it and I need the help from 542.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
definitely that help I can
Our
get.
API documentation currently has sample codes in JavaScript and in Python. So if
Okay.
anyone help in other language, definitely we will help in that.
Yeah. Yes, okay. So okay, now we have like another question. Like lot of traders like who are doing API tradings and they are looking for the new features at Pi 42 exchange. Few of them are asking like when we are do we have a copy trading features like signals features like it is on different exchanges. So Avinash, can you give us little bit idea when we are like, do you have we have any plan in the future like introducing the copy tradings for the, because a lot of traders they are following Telegram groups for the signals, they are following different, they are actually looking at a different place for the trade signals and all, copy trading and all, because these features are like very common now with the other exchanges also. So what
No,
is
no, we are working on it. I think Karthikeyan will be able to provide the timeline, but we are working on it. And copy trading signals, those we will also start providing pretty soon. We The work is already started on that basically.
okay?
And in fact, if you want to if you have some suggestions in terms of, okay, we should do it this way, or we should copy, let's say we should do source signals from somewhere, all those suggestions are welcome, but we have already started working on it.
Okay, interesting.
Hmm.
Okay, nice. And now we have like a few questions from like very beginners traders. They are just like asking, like I started as an API trading on Pi 42, and like they are placing their orders directly through the API and all. So in that term, like we are right now providing zero fee almost in makers, and we have something in makers and takers too. Now they have a simple question like if someone place a trade, because I saw a lot of traders are placing their orders from the API and they're closing their orders from the front end, basically from the terminal. So in this case, whether they will charge a trading fee of like for
Yeah,
zero
in
trade.
that case, normal trading fees will apply if you're
Yeah, for
uh,
like if I'm placing one order through API, so definitely that trading fee will be count as our API trading fee, which is currently live. And if I'm closing that trade position from the my terminal, so this fee will be normal fee.
normal fee. Basically, the thing is that Aman, we want to obviously encourage people to use. It's a new feature. We want to encourage people to use API trading. Okay, and that's why we are giving a limited time offer. The fees will not be zero forever.
Yes, yes,
Obviously,
definitely.
we also need to make some money. But
Yes.
basically, we want to encourage people to start using APIs. Okay. And that's why we have given this limited period offer. So if you're closing the order on the web or on the app, then your normal fees will apply.
Okay.
But
This is
right now there is another promotion which is going on, is in fact till 12 o'clock in the night, where uh, many of the meme coin, or I think all of the meme coin, the trading fees is zero. This is, I think this was going on from last 7 days. Today is the last day till 12 in the night.
okay. Okay. Mean cone. Yeah, this is already live. I can also
Yeah,
see
yeah.
it over the social media. And I think I can also give the answer for this question. This is like basically, is it this API trading is only for the USDT pair or INR pair, or I think it is for the both pair. I mean, it is for all the pairs, right?
Yeah, I think yeah, it's all for all the pairs. Yes.
Even on the USDT, also even on the INR pair, you can directly use API trading.
Yes.
Interesting. So let me check the chat section if we have any question from the user. For now, I don't have any questions. Yeah. So I think almost all questions are covered, like regarding how these API trading works, which is why this API trading, who can use this API trading, even what are the offers which are going on. Even and ask all the question that he has doubt, because he already tried the API trading here also. So one user also want to join here, but somehow he's not available. He's basically the new user. He's doing normal trading on Pi 42. He already sent me the question. I already asked, like I'm a new, how I can do that is already be provided. So I don't think so. We have any more question for now regarding API trading and all. So any other thing, Avinash, you want to say with the trader, because market is like already going up. It's again touching. It's all. It's about. It's like it is gonna to touch again all time high. That
Yeah, yeah.
again, yeah. You have like any insights on the market for now?
No, I think I mean, no insight from the market. Obviously, we are most of us are from in crypto for a very long time,
Yeah.
and I think the indication seems to be that we are entering into another bull run. Okay, but so I think Pi 42 is a product which is at the right place at the right time.
Right.
and enabling customers to actually participate in this bull run uh, at a at a convenient, tax efficient way, and at a very very low cost, so to say. So I think people to say should use this opportunity and help us grow. We are new kids on the block. So
Okay. I think this is we are already done with the API trading and all the questions which is asked by the users. We have all the list of the questions that they have asked through the community, through the chat section and all. So I think Karthikeyan is back now. So Karthikeyan, like we have already done with all the questions with users and all the query and all. So do you have any more insights that you want to share with us on the API trading for the trader who are planning to join on 542? Kartikin, I think you are on mute. We can't hear you.
Sorry, I lost my connection in between. So as Avinash also mentioned, definitely we are still early, as he mentioned. If anyone is looking for any changes from our end, definitely we are here to help in terms of rate limiting. Definitely how to make sure we execute the trade faster, and how our users can get the best rate in the market. Definitely we are among the best right now also. But we are definitely here to help our user base in case of any technical help, writing the API trading part in any specific language, or helping them to execute using webhook, or even helping them to execute directly from Telegram bot. That is something probably I'm just thinking right now. Probably we can definitely, that is something we can help our user base. Uh, we are definitely, we will keep our user base updated. What are the other upcoming features that we are going to add on top of it? Uh, Definitely, users should be able to make use of our fee discounts. We keep offering to our user base. Zero fee trading is one thing that our marketing team is keep on executing every now and then. Definitely, user should take advantage of it. If there is anything specifically, any specific requirement that is coming from our user base, definitely we are here to listen to them and help them succeed in their trades. Definitely at the right time of this bull run start.
Okay, interesting. So Karthik, I have one more question. Like, which programming language is basically required for this API trading? Anyone can use Python or Golang. You already mentioned two languages. So is it specific to a language, or we can use any language as per our comfort?
So there is no restriction on any specific language, but if you have seen people who is into strategy making, or even who is good at mathematics or statistics, they typically use Python as their preferred language. Even a lot of platforms support Python by default.
Okay.
But it's definitely language agnostic. There is no restrictions on that. Whoever is comfortable in any specific language, they can definitely trade using that specific language. There is no restriction to answer your question. But as if you look at the statistics, definitely Python is one of the most preferred among people who makes strategy. And the platforms like TradingView, they use their own scripting. TradingView uses something called Pine script. So there could be other platforms, they will be using their own proprietary languages, but there is no restriction.
Okay. Interesting. Even I can ask from Miranda also, which language you prefer for like API trading you are doing at 542. So, what is your
Uh,
preference in terms of language?
I prefer using Python. I basically right now I use Python and Pine script. So these are the two languages. Like
Yeah, I
as I
heard
told
you
you, like
mostly.
I'm just a hobbyist here. I just learned a few things about these, and like I'm able to like run a full on trading bot, and no, it is very simple. Yeah, so it's easy to understand also.
Okay. Nice. Okay, I think for now we don't have any question in our chat section also, and all the query which is asked from the user, that is already done. If anything, Avinash and Karthikeyan, you want to add, that is definitely welcome. Otherwise, we can end this session also. So, you have anything to share with us, Avinash?
I think we have already covered this
Yeah.
period of
Kartikin was not there at that time. Yeah.
yeah.
And Kartikin already explained all the things about the API trading and so on.
Yeah, probably, Aman, we can make it easier for our users to reach out to us probably through Telegram channel. In case of any specific queries, they can definitely reach out to you or anyone in the team. We can definitely, even if someone needs any demo, definitely, I would definitely love to show them a demo how this works.
Yeah. Users are mostly reaching out through the Telegram and help desk support. So they are reaching out to the multiple channels, but we'll encourage them. They can directly come through to the Telegram so that we can definitely help them. Because we are
Yeah,
scheduling lot of demo calls on a daily basis with because lot in daily basis lot of new traders are coming up. They are like want to try the API trading. We are scheduling a demo call with our tech team and like in this process it is going until the last.
yeah.
Okay, I think it is done for today. Thank you all, guys. All are like live now, so it is done for the API trading session. If you have any other doubts, कोई भी ऐसा if you have doubt about the API trading, like copy trading, the new things like we are planning to launch, you can directly ask in the Telegram or you can like send us the query through help desk also. So we can collect all those query and definitely we will come live from the next time and we will tell you about all the question that you have asked. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank
Thank
you,
you.
thank you.
Thanks,
Thank
Aman.
you, thank you,
And thank you, Karthik.
Thanks. Bye.